I'll show you the way to go. Tell me what you wanna know. No need to rush, just take it slow. Let it all out, just lose control.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time seeing my face, my name is Betty. So today I'm bringing to you 2-in-1. Yes guys, 2-in-1. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe, turn on your notification button, and also share this video with people you know who like makeup and hair like me. So today's video is going to be on this hair and makeup that I got right here. So guys, this is one of my old hairs, and this hair was trash. I wore it once, and you know, I have so many hairs, so I neglected this hair, and when I went back for the hair was like this. Now I revived the curls and it looks popping. So if you want to see how I revived my curls and also how I got this spring makeup look, just keep on watching. Alright guys, to start off, this is the hair that we're gonna be working with. I've had this hair over a year and I've worn it once, so I'm gonna look it up and leave the link to this hair in the info section if you're interested in purchasing this hair. I don't know if they still have it in stock, but I'm just gonna leave the link and you guys can just check it out. So as you can see, I've already washed and conditioned this hair. I only did condition this hair. I didn't use shampoo, so it's called co-washing. So I only did co-washing to this hair, and then I did some plucking, and you know, I just styled the wig on a mannequin head before installation. So as you can see, I'm just using my Got2b glue to install the wig, and so yeah, just keep watching.
No need to rush, just take it slow. Let it all out, just lose control. I'll show you the way to go. Tell me what you wanna know. No need to rush, just take it slow. Let it all out, just lose control. I'll show you the way to go. Tell me what you wanna know. No need to rush, just take it slow. Let it all out, just lose control. I'll show you the way to go. Tell me what you wanna know. No need to rush, just take it slow. Let it all out, just lose control.
So guys, as you can see, we are done with the wig installation. So right now I'm saturating my hair with a lot of water. I wanted my curls to pop a lot, and I wanted to have a wetty wavy look. So this hair is a deep wave, and when you wet the hair, it gets this wavy wet look. So I wanted the hair to be saturated with a lot of water before I use my mousse. I'm also gonna go ahead and use my mousse as well, but before I do that, I'm gonna use a lot of water. And as you can see, as I'm putting a lot of water, the curls of the hair is popping. And it's not just because I'm spraying water, it's because I've already conditioned this hair, so it has moisture. And I don't like to use pudding in my hair because I don't like the scent. sometimes it's too strong for me, so I get cold when I use those curly puddings that people do use. I don't like to use it. So right now, as you can see, I'm using my mousse to lay down my the front of my hair, and also to define my curls. And yeah, it does a very good job bringing back the curls back to life. So yeah.
Tell me what you wanna know. No need to rush, just take it slow. Let it all out, just lose control. I'll show you the way to go. And tell me what you wanna know. No need to rush, just take it slow. Let it all out, just lose control.
So guys, now that I'm done with the hair, I'm gonna go on and do my makeup. And before I start doing my makeup, I'm gonna wipe off my oily skin first. And I like to use baby wipes to wipe my face, especially when I'm about to do makeup and I feel like I'm being oily. I do wipe it off first before I apply my primer. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some moisturizer to my lips. So if you know me by now, you know I love Renew Stay Matte Primer, and this is my favorite primer that I use for my oily skin.
Let it all out, just lose control.
Onto my brows, I'm gonna use two pencils, which is Rimmel brow pencil. They are both Rimmel brow pencil, but one is dark brown and one is black brown. And I use these two for my eyebrows, and it gives me the perfect brow that I want.
Just take it slow. Let it all out, just lose control. I'll show you the way to go. Tell me what you wanna know. No need to rush, just take it slow. Let it all out, just lose control. I'll show you the way to go. Tell me what you wanna know. No need to rush, just take it slow. Let it all out, just lose control. I'll show you the way to go.
So guys, I'm gonna use my BH Cosmetic palette, and this is Take Me Back to Bridal palette, and I'm going to use the green shade as my transitioning color. And on the lower lid, I'm gonna use the deep green and just blend it in. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and add the black shade to give me a smoky effect. Next, I'm using my LA Girl conceal, and I'm just cutting the crease where I'm gonna put the lemon green because I want it brighter, so that is why I'm using my conceal. Yeah. Onto the conceal eyelid, I'm placing my green eyeshadow from my BH Cosmetic palette, and I'm just placing that on top of the concealer, and I'm just gonna go ahead and also define my eye by using my Tatis ring liner.
I'll show you the way to go. Tell me what you wanna know.
So guys, as you can see, I'm using my Maybelline Fit concealer, and I didn't really like this concealer because it was too oily for my liking, but I was using it underneath my lips because I wanted to get rid of the hyperpigmentation. So as you can see, I was talking a lot in this video because I wanted to do a talk through, but my kids wouldn't let me. They were just around. As you know, the kids are home now. They are not going to school at the moment, so I have them all around me, and I couldn't do the talk through. I thought I could do it, but I couldn't because there was too much noise in the video. So as you can see, I already applied my foundation, and the foundation that I used was Maybelline Fit foundation, and I was using the same concealer, but I didn't like it, so I went in with my other concealer, and it was the same Maybelline Fit brand, but I really do like this brand better than the other one that I used. So yes, I'm highlighting my face underneath my eyes, my nose, and on my forehead and my chin. And now I'm just blending everything together. So yeah. On top of the concealer, I'm using my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I wasn't using too much of this setting powder. Most of the times I leave it on for some time, but I didn't do that this time around. And I'm also using my Naked palette, the brown foundation from my Naked palette, and I was just using it on my contoured areas. And I was also using my CoverGirl cream bronzer on top. I didn't really want to do contouring for this makeup, so yeah, I wasn't really feeling contouring, so I just did a slight contour on those areas that I needed to do. And I'm also using my mascara. As you can see, I'm using the same brow pencil that I use for my brows on top of my lips, and this is the Rimmel brow pencil. I really do love this brow pencil, but I really do love this brow pencil, but guys, I need to get a lip liner because I don't even have a lip liner. I don't really like buying makeup. I don't know, for some reason makeup is so expensive, so I don't like buying it. I only replace the ones that I feel is old. So right now, as you can see, I'm using my lip gloss. Everything that I'm using in this video will be listed in the info section. I wasn't able to mention most of the product that I used in the video, so I'm just gonna leave it in the info section, so if you're interested, just check them out. So yes.
Tell me what you wanna know. No need to rush, just take it slow.
So guys, as you can see, the hair is dry, and see how beautiful the curls look. So gorgeous, guys. On the camera it's so shiny, but it's not that shiny in person. So if you think you don't want it dry, you can add some water, or you can add more mousse, or you can add your pudding. I want it to be relaxed a little bit. So guys, we've come to the end of the video. This is the final installation and this is the final look. So yes, if you are interested in seeing more videos like this, make sure to thumbs up, subscribe, and also turn on your notification button for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay blessed. Bye.